In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Retool. To get started, head over to Retool and open the workspace where you want to set things up. Once you're inside, look at the top toolbar. This is where you'll find the main navigation options you'll use to manage apps, data connections, and other workspace tools. From the top toolbar, click on Resources. In Retool, resources are the connections that allow your dashboard to pull in data. That could be from a database, an API, a spreadsheet, or another service. So before building the dashboard itself, you first need to create the resource your dashboard will rely on. After opening the resources area, move to the top right corner and click Create New. Then choose Resource. This will open the setup page where you can define the kind of connection you want to add. Now you'll need to select a resource type. Retool organizes these into helpful categories, which makes it easier to find the right option depending on your data source. You can click Popular if you want to see commonly used integrations. You can also browse databases if your dashboard will connect to a structured data source. APIs if you need to pull in data from a web service. If your workflow includes AI-powered tools, or message queues if your setup depends on queued data processing. For this example, select a resource from the Popular category, specifically Google Sheets. This is a good option if your dashboard data is stored in a spreadsheet and you want a simple way to connect it. Once the Google Sheets resource setup page opens, start by entering a name. Choose something clear and recognizable so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to create multiple resources in the same workspace. After that, add a description. This is optional in many cases, but it's a smart habit because it helps explain what the resource is for and what data it connects to. Next, select the type. Make sure the selected type matches the connection you want to use for this resource. Taking a moment here to confirm the type can help avoid configuration issues later when you begin building your dashboard components and queries. When everything looks correct, click Create Resource. That completes the resource creation process and gives you the connection you need as the foundation for your Retool dashboard. As a quick tip, keeping your resource names organized from the beginning will make dashboard building much easier later on, especially when you start adding tables, charts, filters, and queries that depend on this connection.